Hello students, I am again here with one more important question for your Java interview preparation. What are different access modifiers available in Java? Now, what is this access modifier? There are basically two types of modifiers in Java, like access modifiers and non-access modifiers. From that, access modifier specifies the accessibility or visibility, or you can say that scope of a class or any member of a class. Getting? Now this access modifier means modifies the accessibility or visibility of any variable, any method, any constructor of a class. These access modifiers are also applicable for classes, interfaces, enumerations. Getting? Now there are basically four types of access modifiers present in Java, like public, default, protected and private. Now, if any member of a class is declared as a public, then where it is accessible, what is the scope of that variable, that is decided by that public word. Public means everywhere it is accessible. Getting? For example, suppose we have declared a class test. See, here while declaring this class test, I have not mentioned anything here. Okay, means this access modifier of this class is a default access modifier, means within the same package you can access this class. Any member of a class is declared as a public, then what happens? See, suppose I have declared one member, let integer age in this class. Now I have not written anything before writing this int age, means by default the access modifier is a default access modifier in this case. Default means what? Package access, means only inside this package you can access this variable. Getting? Now suppose I have declared one more class in the same package, let class test 2, and here I just want to create object of this class test. Okay, fine, you can create object of this class test very easily, because this is inside same package I am considering, like test t1 equals to new test, in this way. Okay, now t1 dot age I can easily access in this class. Why? Because this age is having default access modifier, and now that default access modifier is nothing but a package access modifier. Whatever declared with default access modifier is easily available in the same package everywhere. Within the same package it is accessible. Suppose instead of that I am writing here public int age. Now if this class test2 is inside the same package, there you can access this age very easily. Again, if it is outside that package, in any other package, suppose I have declared this class test2, there also we can access this age, only we have to import this package here. Okay, means public is accessible everywhere. Getting? Suppose I am writing here protected. Now protected members are accessible within the same class, within same package and outside the package, but only if there is any child class of this class outside that package, then only there we can access this protected member of a class. If anything is declared as a public, then it is accessible everywhere. If anything is declared without any access modifier, then that is a default access modifier, then that is only accessible inside the same package. Outside that package you cannot access it. Then if anything is declared as a protected, the meaning is that you can access that protected member inside this same class, inside the same package. If this test2 is inside the same package, here you can access very easily this age. If outside this package, means suppose class test is a part of one package and this class test2 is a part of any other package, then here you cannot directly access this age. But if this class is derived from this test class, then here you can access this age. Means suppose here you have written like extends test, here you have to import this package, okay, whatever package of this class test. Getting? Now here you can easily access now this age variable, means if anything declared as a protected inside a class, then that protected member of a class is accessible within that class, within that package and outside the package, but only in a subclass, only in a child class. Means we can say that protected equal to, see, protected equal to package means default and plus child class of it. Getting? Public everywhere. Protected means this one. Default means what? Only default means package access. And private. If it is private, then what will happen? Private means it is accessible only in that class. Other than that class, never. Means you cannot access this outside that class. Even in the same package, you cannot access that member of a class. It is only accessible inside that class. Getting? Means private is having too much restriction. It is only accessible inside the same class only. These are 4 access modifiers available in Java. Now see, here I am just summarizing all the access modifiers one by one. See, here I have written the access modifiers like public, default, protected and private. Okay, and here I have just defined scope, means where it is accessible within the same class, within child class of same package, non-child class, from outside package, if there is any child class or non-child class, whether it is accessible or not, that everything I have summarized here that I am going to explain now. See, first thing is, suppose any member of a class is declared as a public, then we know that it is accessible everywhere, no restriction will be there. That's why within the same class we can access, within the same package we can very easily access, whether it may be a child class or non-child class, no problem. Outside the package, of course, we can access everywhere, whether it may be a child class or non-child class, no problem. Getting? Child class means inherited class. Okay. Now next one is default access modifier. It is also called as a package access modifier. Package means what? Within the same package you can access. Only remember this point. Okay, within the same package means within the same class, of course you can access. Within the same package, what is here, you can of course access. Getting? Whether it may be a child class or non-child class, no problem will be there. But outside package, you cannot access this default member of a class. Now next one is protected members. See, protected members are accessible within the same package and in a child class in other package. Okay, outside that package, if there is any child class, there also you can access protected members of a class. Now see, within the same class, of course we can access. Within the same package protected members are accessible. Same package, protected members are accessible, whether it may be a child class or non-child class, no problem. Now outside package, if there is a child class, there only you can access protected members. Means from child class of outside package we can of course access the protected members, but non-child class, here protected members are not accessible if it is outside package. Means if any other package and inside that if any other class, you cannot access the protected member. Getting? This one you have to keep in mind. Now next one is, see, private. See, private means it is only accessible within the same class, otherwise anywhere you cannot access that. Okay, private members are accessible only within the same class. Means the public members are accessible everywhere, private members are accessible only in the same class. Package members means the members having default access modifier are accessible only within the same package, and protected members are within the same package as well as in outer package, means any outside package. But if there is any child class, then through child class reference you can access the protected members. Getting? This is all about access modifiers in Java. Means least scope is there for private members and highest scope is for public members. Getting? In the next session we will see one more important question for your Java interview preparation. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.